2022 Cadillac Escalade. What color is this here? What would you call this color? Brown. I know it's got a fancy color name to it.
Brown.
You thinking brown?
Brown food, brown drink, calories.
Shiny brown.
Shiny brown. Okay, I'll take that. I like it. It's different. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Converters there and there. White pipe. Air ride suspension. That's the tank right there. Flex pipe there. Then we took off the stock muffler because it's too quiet. Put a Borla S-type on it. We found out that the S-type sounds the best on these Escalades from our research. So there it is. Borla S-type. Part number 400843. There'll be a link in the description for it and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then everything else stayed the same. So it goes single up there and then it winds out with two resonators, one there and one there out the back. It's very cold outside, so we kept the door closed for now. But there's the muffler and the valve that we took off right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. So it's got custom interior. Check this out, guys. Whoa, tan on red and black. I like that. That is different. Look at the wood grain too. That is different. Ooh, I like that a lot, actually. Wow. 2022 Cadillac Escalade with Borla S-type. Much better. Needed some sound, you know? Not a lot. Nice idle. Here's idle. Right at 74, we'll say. Go ahead and give it gas. Sounds so much better. Yeah, the Borla S-type is perfect on these. We've done the Attack, we've done the Pro XS. The S-type sounds the best.
I agree, because I was watching your videos too. The cacks are too deep.
Yeah, it's just too thrown. It's made for a truck, not like a car like that.
This is like perfect.
Classy, you know? Give it gas? Oh yeah, that's perfect. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 89, so it's not crazy loud, just clean. Again. 93. All right, go ahead and back it out. Like Escalade with Borla S-type. It's freezing out here, guys, so don't think the car is cold, it's just cold. It's like 20 degrees outside. Let you guys hear it on the inside. It's cool though. I love that color scheme. Mafia all the way, bro. Don't you agree? They have that look to them, man. I love the design of them. And it's quick too. Look at that thing fly. Woo! Beautiful. Borla S-type, the best thing for Cadillac Escalades. Remember that, guys. Enjoy.